गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। हम लोगों ने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में ये जो लेमनिस स्केट है जिसकी इक्वेशन आर स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर कोस 2 थीटा है, इसकी इनिशियल एक्सिस के अबाउट मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ज्ञात किया था। जो ये अपना जो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया आया था एम ए स्क्वायर बाई 4 इंटू पाई बाई 4 माइनस 2/3। यहाँ ओ लेमनिस स्केट का पोल है और ये इसका जो एक लूप है वो थीटा इक्वल टू माइनस पाई बाई 4 और पाई बाई 4 के बीच में है। नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ द लेमनिस स्केट अबाउट अ लाइन थ्रू ओरिजिन इन इट्स प्लेन एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू इट्स एक्सिस। इस लाइन के ओरिजिन से पास हो रही है और अबाउट अ लाइन थ्रू ओरिजिन इन इट्स प्लेन एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू द एक्सिस, इसके एक्सिस के परपेंडिकुलर है। यहां पे एक्सिस अपना एक्स और एक्स डैश था, इट मींस यहां पे जो y ओ y डैश इज द रिक्वायर्ड लाइन। इट मींस नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया of the leमनिस स्केट about y o y dash which passes through the origin and perpendicular to the initial line, that is axis of the leमनिस स्केट. Here we assume that capital M is the mass of the leमनिस स्केट and rho is the density of the area. Now we have first case, third case about a line through origin and perpendicular to its plane. This is the third case. First of all we take the second case. Moment of inertia of the leमनिस स्केट is about a line through origin and its this. ये जो एलिमेंट्री एरिया PQRS है, इसकी एक्स एक्सिस तो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस है। हियर द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ P इज r थीटा, दिस एंगल इज थीटा, so therefore this is r sin theta, which is the perpendicular distance from P to the x axis. Now we have to find out the moment of inertia about y o y dash, therefore we need this distance. So if this r cos theta, so therefore this is r cos theta. इट मींस P की ये जो एलिमेंट्री एरिया है उसकी y o y डैश का परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस है, दैट इज r cos थीटा. तो देयरफॉर वी कैन से द मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ द लेमनिस स्केट अबाउट y o y डैश इक्वल्स टू, दिस इज द 4 टाइम्स ऑफ, because here rho equals to m a square m upon a square, this is 4m upon a square within the integral 0 to pi by 4 or r equal to 0 to a under root of cos 2 theta, and this is r d theta dr, elementary area is r delta general r, and the perpendicular distance का square is, this is r square cos square theta d theta. First of all we integrate with respect to r, then we have equals to, this is 4m upon a square, this is 0 to pi by 4. Here r is r cube, therefore this is r4 upon 4 within the limits a under root of cos 2 theta, this is 0, and cos square theta d theta, this is 4m a square 0 to pi by 4, this is r की power 4 by 4, this is pi by 4. This equals to, this is 4m upon a square within the limit 0 to pi by 4, this is a की power 4 cos square 2 theta by 4, lower limit is 0, and this is cos square theta d theta. 4 is cancelled out, therefore this can be written as, it is a square, therefore we can say this is m a square within the limit 0 to pi by 4. This is cos square 2 theta. Cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2 d theta. Now integrating, we have this equals to m a square by 2 integral 0 to pi by 4. This is cos square 2 theta plus cos cube 2 theta d theta. This equals to, if you are putting 2 theta equal to 5, so therefore we have d theta equal to half of d phi, and this equals to m a square. D theta is half of d phi, so this is m a square by 4. Integral 0 to pi by 4. This is cos square phi plus cos cube phi. This is d phi. Cos square phi plus cos cube phi d phi. After solving this integral, it is we again apply the gamma integral as we have applied in the part first. So this can be written as cos square phi is gamma half. This is gamma this is gamma 3 by 2 upon this is 2 gamma 2 plus 2 plus this is cos 2 phi, this is gamma half, and this is gamma 2 upon this is 2 gamma 5 by 2. After simplifying, we have this equals to moment of inertia equals to, this is m a square by 4. This is under root of pi, this is half into under root of pi upon this is 2 gamma 1 plus this is under root of pi, this is 1 upon this is 2 gamma 5 by 2, this is 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma half is under root pi. Again simplifying this, we have this equals to, this is m a square by 4, under root pi is pi, this is pi by 4 plus under root pi is cancelled out, 2 is cancelled out, ultimately this is 2 by 3. Therefore, the moment of inertia of the lemniscate about y over y dash is m square by 4 into pi by 4 plus 2 by 3, which is the required moment of inertia. Case third is now we have to find out the moment of inertia of the lemniscate about a line which passes through the center of the lemniscate, we can say passes through the origin or pole and perpendicular to the plane of the landscape. It means we have to find out the moment of inertia of the landscape about this line. Suppose it is OL. Suppose it OL. Hence, the moment of inertia of the landscape about ON equals to, this is 4 times of this integral of 0 to pi by 4. This is r equal to 0 to a under root of cos 2 theta. Here rho is m by a square और दिस इज r d theta dr. यहाँ पे जो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस होगी इस एलिमेंट्री एरिया PQRS की which is r, because the coordinates of P are r comma theta, therefore OP is r. So r is the perpendicular distance of this elementary area from the line OL. So therefore this is r square. Further, we have this equals to moment of inertia equals to, this is 4m upon a square. First of all, we integrate with respect to r, so therefore this is r cube, this is r4 upon 4 within the limit 0 to a under root of cos 2 theta, and this is d theta. Now applying the lower limit and upper limit, we have this is a to the power 4 and this is cos square 2 theta upon 4. Lower limit is r is 0, limit is 0. This is d theta. 4 is cancelled out, so therefore this is m a square integral of 0 to pi by 4. This is cos square 2 theta d theta. This equals to m a square. If I are putting here, put 2 theta equal to 5, therefore d theta equal to half of d5. So d theta is half of d5, so this is m square by 2 integral. This is cos square 5 d5. The upper limits and the lower limits are given by, this is pi by 4. If we are putting theta equal to pi by 4, then we have this is pi by 2 and this is 0. Again, we are applying the gamma integral, which is gamma half into gamma 3 by 2 upon 2 gamma 2 plus 2. This equals to, this is m a square by 2, gamma half is under root pi, this is half into gamma half is under root pi, this is 2, it is gamma 2 is 1, therefore this is 2 into 1. So we can say this is m pi m a square upon 8. This is pi m a square upon 8. This is the required moment of inertia of the landscape about the line. This is moment of inertia equals to, this is pi m a square by 8. This is the required moment of inertia of the landscape about a line which passes through the origin of the landscape and perpendicular to its plane. Thank you. Have a nice day.